Hi everyone, welcome back to Wendy's Decorium. I hope you're all okay. Right, I'm going to be doing a Halloween project today, and I'm going to be using Aquacast and this mould. Now, I've never used this mould. As you can see, it's a chopping board mould. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be plugging, I don't want this part of it, so I'm going to be plugging this up. And for that, I'm going to be using Daz air dry clay. Mixed it up now. It's like a dark grey, will dry lighter, and I'm just going to pour it in. It's in a very big jug. While the Aquacast is curing, I'm going to be sorting this out. The Cricket's cut them all. I know you can't see it as yet. I'm going to stick it on the Cricut mat, and I'm going to try to weed it. Sorry, I'm going to speed this bit up for you because I could be here all day. They're all done now, ready to use. I've taken the clay out of the end, the stopper. Oh, this comes out very easy. Oh, sorry, I knocked you. There we go. Right, bit shiny on the top for my liking for a tombstone, so I'm going to sand it, but I'm going to wait 24 hours because it's still very, very damp. I'm just going to sand around there, and I'm going to sand very lightly the surface, make it a bit tombstone looking. All right, when that's dry, I'll be back with you. Right, it's completely dry now. I've sanded it, and I've weeded all these as you saw. And now just for placement, I was thinking something like that, putting that at the bottom, skull at the top. Tell you what I'll do, I'll work it out, I'll speed this bit up for you, and then you don't get bored. Right, they're all on. Spooky. Don't know if you can see it all. I was going to cover it in resin, but I don't really want a shiny tombstone. I mean, that's properly stuck now. But you know what I mean. I want it to look a bit stone-like. Thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. That would be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you again next week. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye-bye.